If you're over 60 and have started noticing brown spots, sunspots, or darker patches on your hands, face, or neck, you're not alone. These are called age spots, or liver spots, and they're one of the most common skin concerns linked to both aging and sun exposure. But today, I'm going to introduce you to a mineral that's been hiding in plain sight. It's something very familiar, but rarely mentioned when it comes to improving skin health, especially after age 60. Many doctors overlook it, but recent scientific research shows it can fade brown spots naturally and even help restore aging skin noticeably in just a few weeks, if used correctly. So before we dive in, leave me a comment below. What's your current skin concern? And what have you tried so far to treat your age spots? That way, I can better understand where you are on your journey toward healthier skin over 60, and I'll respond to every comment as specifically as I can. Let's start by answering a simple question. What exactly are age spots, and why do they appear more frequently after age 60? Age spots, also called liver spots, are flat, brown, or darkened patches that usually show up on skin exposed to the sun, such as the hands, face, shoulders, and neck. What many people don't realize is that age spots after 60 aren't just a cosmetic issue. They're one of the first signs that your skin is losing its natural ability to repair itself. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, these spots form due to the buildup of melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color, after years of UV exposure, combined with the gradual loss of collagen and elastin as you age. A 2012 study published in Dermatoendocrinology found that after age 60, collagen loss occurs nearly twice as fast as it does in your 30s and 40s. That makes your skin thinner, weaker, and much more prone to pigmentation damage. So if you're looking for ways to fade brown spots naturally, or wondering how to stop age spots naturally, the first step is addressing the root causes: chronic sun exposure, oxidative stress, nutritional deficiencies, especially of one key mineral I'll be revealing in just a moment. The good news is that there are simple and effective natural remedies for liver spots that don't involve expensive treatments or risky procedures. These include daily habits and foods that brighten aging skin, which I'll be sharing in the next section, designed specifically for restoring skin over 60 just like yours. Mistake number 1. Using hydroquinone-based whitening creams without medical supervision. Hydroquinone is a powerful skin lightening agent that's often promoted as a fast way to fade brown spots. While it was once widely used, the FDA warns that high concentrations of hydroquinone can cause serious side effects, including contact dermatitis, skin thinning, and in some cases, ochronosis, a rare but permanent form of skin discoloration. According to a 2006 publication in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology, JAAD, the unsupervised use of hydroquinone is linked to pigment imbalance and skin irritation, especially in older adults whose skin barrier is already more fragile. Mistake number 2. Relying on expensive laser treatments without addressing the root cause. Yes, laser therapy can lighten dark spots quickly, but here's the catch. The results are often temporary unless you're treating the root problem from within. Things like antioxidant deficiencies, collagen loss, and most importantly, zinc deficiency, which is extremely common in people with skin over 60. A 2015 study published in Clinical, Cosmetic, and Investigational Dermatology found that patients with low zinc levels had significantly worse responses to laser treatment and were more likely to see their age spots return compared to those who consistently took zinc supplements. Mistake number 3. Ignoring nutrition and natural remedies for liver spots. Too many people focus on topical creams but completely overlook the power of nutrition. The truth is, the best supplements for skin over 60, like vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, and glutathione, are essential for helping your skin fade brown spots naturally from the inside out. According to Harvard Health Publishing, 2020, diet plays a major role in protecting and restoring aging skin. A lack of antioxidants has been shown to accelerate the development of dark spots and pigmentation issues, especially in older adults. At age 60 and beyond, your skin starts reacting more noticeably to everything you do, for better or worse. That's why instead of just masking the surface, it's time to go deeper. Nourish your skin cells with the right nutrients and protect them from daily UV damage. When we talk about natural remedies for liver spots, or how to fade brown spots naturally, most people immediately think of vitamin C or topical creams. But there's one incredibly important mineral, and yet often overlooked: zinc. After 60, your skin loses its ability to repair itself efficiently. Collagen production declines, and free radicals become more aggressive, attacking skin cells daily. This is when zinc becomes essential for maintaining healthy skin over 60, because it plays three critical roles: stimulates collagen and elastin production, acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting skin from UV-related damage, supports skin cell regeneration, evens out tone, and helps reduce hyperpigmentation. According to a 2001 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, zinc is a vital micronutrient for epidermal regeneration and collagen synthesis, especially in older adults whose skin repair functions are significantly slower. We also know that age spots are caused by excess melanin buildup. Zinc doesn't bleach the skin, and that's a good thing. What it does is help regulate the activity of tyrosinase, the key enzyme responsible for melanin production. As reported in Biological Trace Element Research, 2014, zinc supplementation can regulate melanogenesis by inhibiting tyrosinase activity, contributing to skin lightening and an even skin tone. From a dermatological perspective, zinc is one of the most underrated supplements for skin over 60. It not only helps fade liver spots, but it also boosts immune function and helps the skin recover after sun damage, something no serum can do from the inside out. So, how do you know if you might be zinc deficient? Common signs include dry, flaky skin or wounds that heal slowly, brittle nails, dark spots or pigmentation that won't fade, even with creams, weak immunity or frequent colds. If you're serious about finding out how to stop age spots naturally, it's time to stop thinking only in terms of topical creams. Start from the inside, with the right dose of zinc for skin aging. Now that you understand why zinc matters, the next question is, how do you supplement it safely and naturally, especially if you're over 60? Zinc occurs naturally in many foods, and whenever possible, getting your zinc from real food is more effective than relying on supplements. So if you're looking for foods that brighten aging skin, here are the must-have items to add to your weekly menu. 1. Oysters. Oysters are by far the richest food source of zinc. Just one medium oyster can contain up to 50 milliliters of zinc, making it a powerhouse for both skin repair and immune support. 2. Lean meats varieties like lean beef and chicken are excellent animal-based sources of zinc, and they come with added protein to support collagen production. 3. Nuts, seeds, and grains. Pumpkin seeds, cashews, green peas, oats. All of these provide plant-based zinc and support natural remedies for liver spots by nourishing your skin from the inside. 4. Eggs and dairy. Eggs and dairy products not only offer zinc for skin aging, but also contain other supportive nutrients like biotin and vitamin D. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, zinc from animal-based foods is more bioavailable than from plant sources, especially in older adults, who often produce less stomach acid needed for absorption. If your diet is restricted or you've been diagnosed with zinc deficiency, turning to one of the best supplements for skin over 60 can help fill in the gaps. Look for zinc picolinate, or zinc gluconate. These forms are more easily absorbed by the body. For most adults over 60, a safe and effective dose ranges between 15 to 30 milliliters per day. However, according to the FDA and Mayo Clinic, you should not exceed 40 milliliters per day unless directed by a healthcare provider. Taking too much zinc can lead to nausea, copper deficiency, and a weakened immune response. To get the most from your zinc, and to see results like fading brown spots naturally, be mindful of how and when you take it. Avoid taking zinc with milk, tea, or coffee. Calcium and tannins can reduce zinc absorption. Take zinc with a light protein-based meal, like eggs or oats, to enhance uptake and reduce stomach upset. If you're trying to figure out how to stop age spots naturally, adding zinc is a smart move, but it's only effective when combined with proper eating habits and a healthy lifestyle. In the next section, I'll walk you through how to combine zinc with other essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, and glutathione, so you can build a comprehensive skincare strategy for life after 60. Supplementing with zinc for skin aging is just the beginning. But if you truly want to keep your skin radiant, even-toned, and healthy, you'll need to take a full-circle approach, one that includes lifestyle changes, balanced nutrition, and daily protection against sun damage. 1. Daily sun protection. A lifesaver for skin over 60. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, AAD, up to 90% of visible signs of skin aging are caused by cumulative UV exposure, not by age alone. That means whether you're 30, 60, or 80, sun protection is non-negotiable. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days, and reapply every 2 hours if you're sweating or outdoors for long periods. Don't forget areas like your neck, hands, and ears, which are common zones where age spots show up. 2. Antioxidant-rich nutrition. Nourish your skin from within. One of the most powerful natural remedies for liver spots is a diet packed with antioxidants that help skin cells repair and regenerate. Here are some of the top foods that brighten aging skin. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect against UV and blue light damage. Carrots and pumpkins are high in beta-carotene, a skin-protecting antioxidant. Citrus fruits, guava, and kiwi are rich in vitamin C to boost collagen production and brighten the skin. Almonds and sunflower seeds are full of vitamin E, a powerful free radical fighter. A study by Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health found that plant-based diets rich in antioxidants are associated with healthier, more even-toned skin and fewer dark spots in older adults. Want even better results? Combine these nutrients strategically. Zinc plus vitamin C boosts your body's natural collagen synthesis. Zinc plus glutathione helps even out pigmentation and supports skin detox. Zinc plus vitamin E provides deep antioxidant protection against cellular damage. So instead of taking single nutrients here and there, the key is to combine them effectively. That's how you'll fade brown spots naturally and prevent them from returning. At this stage in life, your skin deserves more than just cosmetic cover-ups or quick fixes. Forget thick makeup and whitening creams. What you need is a new philosophy for skin over 60. Slow aging, nourish from within, and honor the biology of your skin. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology concluded that the most effective skincare approaches in older adults involve combining antioxidant nutrition, skin barrier protection, and stimulation of natural collagen production. So, if you're wondering how to stop age spots naturally, the truth is, there's no magic cream. The real solution is holistic care, feeding your skin with the right nutrients, shielding it from damage, and supporting its natural ability to renew. Ready to shift your skincare from surface level to science-backed? In the next section, I'll show you exactly how to put this strategy into action, step by step. A lot of people ask, should I try to get rid of all my age spots? And the honest answer is, you don't need to. Age spots are a natural part of aging skin. But here's the good news. You can fade brown spots naturally, even out your skin tone, and, most importantly, stop them from spreading further. According to dermatology experts, every age spot is a sign of how well, or poorly, your skin has been cared for over time. But the best part? It's never too late to start taking better care of your skin. When combined with a healthy lifestyle, the best supplements for skin over 60 can help restore a vibrant, even-toned complexion without harsh or invasive treatments. The National Institute on Aging confirms that older skin retains a remarkable ability to recover, even beyond age 70, when properly supported with the right care. So the best approach isn't quick fixes. It's choosing safe, science-backed, and sustainable strategies. If you've stayed with me this far in the video, it tells me something important. You're serious about your skin. And that's something to celebrate. At this point, it's not just about fading a few age spots. You're learning to understand and support your skin over 60 with a mindset that's more scientific, more mindful, and more sustainable. You don't need whitening creams or expensive procedures. Instead, start from the inside. Add proven nutrients like zinc, vitamin C, vitamin E, and glutathione, the best supplements for skin over 60 that help reduce pigmentation, support skin regeneration, and even out skin tone naturally. Pair that with foods that brighten aging skin, like leafy greens, nuts, fresh fruits, and whole grains, because healthy skin starts with well-nourished cells. And don't forget the non-negotiable, daily sun protection. Even on cloudy days, use sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. UV rays are the #1 cause of excess pigmentation and skin aging. A 2019 study in the International Journal of Dermatology found that early intervention through healthy lifestyle changes and targeted nutrients can slow, and in some cases, partially reverse, pigment-related skin damage due to aging. If you've ever wondered how to stop age spots naturally, remember that the answer doesn't lie in a single product. It lies in consistency, smart choices, and a science-based approach. So why not start today? 1. Enjoy a zinc and vitamin C-rich meal. 2. Check the label on your sunscreen. And most importantly, take action now. Don't wait until you're 70 to start caring for your skin. Have you tried any of these methods? Or are you unsure where to begin? Drop a comment below. I read every message and reply with personalized advice because I truly believe that every skin over 60 deserves thoughtful care. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss our next episode on senior skin health and wellness. Let's keep aging well, naturally and intentionally, together.